Hey guys, it's Melanie and I am so excited for today's video for very obvious reasons. We are officially throwing ourselves into this holiday season. As you can tell, I decorated late last night and I have my festive Christmas sweater on and I am just so excited to talk to you guys about some Christmas gift ideas I have for you. If you're new here, hi, my name's Melanie. I make a bunch of lifestyle, DIY, beauty, fashion, kind of just everything videos, and I'd love to have you on my channel. Let's get into 150 plus Christmas wish list or gift ideas. I've been brainstorming this for quite a while, so I have to bring out the phone list. I will write it all in the description as well, of course. First off, these clogs. I think they're so cute. These are on the top of my list, so obviously I had to put it on the top of this YouTube video list. Also, Bostons. I know some people might think Bostons have gone out of style. I personally think they're so cute still. There's also a bunch of dupe versions. I know there's some on Amazon. I have a dupe pair from Walmart that I've been wearing for years. These necklaces from charmz, they are stinking cute. Gold bow earrings. They sell these at Free People, but they also have a dupe on Amazon for way cheaper. Those have just been in. Do I need to say anything more? Any kind of charm bracelet or necklace. There's a bunch of pre-made ones on Amazon, but also if you have the ability to customize one, I think that would be such a fun gift. You get like a little more like personalized, meaningful charm bracelet or necklace. Hair bows. I think this is such a fun little stocking stuffer. You can get the clip-in ones. You can also get hair bow like claw clips. Owalla. I mean, I stinking love my owalla. I just think it makes water more fun to drink and the colorways just like get me. I know they also have owalla like Stanley cup dupes, Adidas sambas or gazelles. If you don't really know what shoes they like, I feel like black or white sambas are a super safe way to go. I know you can get gazelles in like platforms, which is cool, and like really fun colors. Summer Fridays lip balm, wearing it now, obsessed. Short Uggs or slippers. I wear my slippers all the dang time, even if I didn't wear them because they're cute. They're so comfy. A bathrobe. Personally on my list, I have like a dupe of the Jerf Avenue one, but I just think any kind of bathrobe. TJ Maxx and Marshalls always has the hugest selection of like pajamas, undergarments, slippers, bathrobes, so I just had to shout them out. A fuzzy bathrobe or a towel bathrobe, it just really makes you feel more glamorous. Matching PJ set. Once again, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target even. Hair gel stick. I got one from Amazon for like $7. It's worked wonders. Baggu reusable bag. I love these so much. I use them way more than I thought I ever would, and there's so many fun prints. I just think they're awesome and like anyone could use them. The baggu crescent medium bag. I think it's so universal. It holds so stinking much. If you want a smaller one, you could also do the Uniqlo crescent bag, and I think that one's like 20 bucks. Mary Jane's. So cute. I guess I was in a little shoe brainstorming. I said bow flats or bow heels. The flower vase. Then of course add flowers in there. I think this is super cool because you could like thrift a vase even and get a really unique one. The travel backpack from Amazon if you have a traveling friend. I know this thing holds so much. National park pass if you have a outdoorsy hiker friend. I think that's a fun like excursion gift. Stanley cup. I know I shouted out the owalla, but you know, you have to add Stanley in there too. A coffee cozy. I think that's what it's called, but it's one of these things you like put your store-bought coffee in, and it's supposed to keep it colder but also like reusable and keeps your hand warm. There's also a bunch of fun prints. House slippers. I am such a slipper girly. I have multiple pairs and they just bring me so much joy. A laptop case, either a snap-on cute case. I have a really cute one from Casetify, or like a pouch. I have a puffer one from Baggu. There's also super cute quilted ones on Etsy. Longchamp bags. I know they sell these on sale a lot at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I personally use my Longchamp for school, and I have for like all of college, and it just holds so much and it looks very sleek. A lunchbox. I have to shout out Baggu again, but also Target had these really cute ones. I said a Mad Happy or just like a quality hoodie. You know, have you seen that video about like hoodies, hoodieing? There's clearly a difference between different kinds of hoodies, and I think giving anyone a really nice quality hoodie doesn't even have to be super expensive like Mad Happy. There's a really nice quality hoodie on Amazon. It's linked in my storefront. The shape of it, the thread count, it's just heavy. It looks nice. It fits well. Along with that, I said Lonely Ghost boxy tees. I was trying to get at like the good fitting tees. Like I know on Legos they're called boxy tees, and it's like my favorite fitting fitting t-shirt. It just looks so good and it looks really good layered, and they have cool graphics, but just a nice fitting tee. I think Uniqlo has really nice tees also. Any kind of like crossbody bag or fanny pack, quilted jacket, two kinds. So like the cute little kind of more eclectic crafty looking quilted jackets, I know they had some of these at Target. I bought multiple from Target a while ago. They're so cute. Or the Free People quilted jacket. There's also a dupe on Amazon for like genuinely 1/4 of the price. Along with that, quilting in general has just been like so in, and I personally have been obsessed with it. So I said a quilted makeup pouch. I think if you're getting a bunch of gifts for your little girly friends, it would be so fun to do like a quilted makeup pouch and fill it with like, I don't know, things you love. Necklace clasp. I've talked about this multiple times, but it's like magnetic and it helps you layer your necklaces so they don't get tangled. You can take all of your necklaces on and off super easily when you shower and sleep. I got mine on Amazon. Glass coffee tumblers. I feel like I can just never have too many of these. They're so fun. And Lego set. I know there's this coffee machine one that's super cool. The flower ones are really cool too, and I've seen some where they're like paintings, especially if it's for like a significant other or someone you could like make the puzzle with. Muji pens, honestly, they're just the best pens. The perfect wrappable picnic blanket. There's so many on Amazon, like a nice waterproof compact blanket for the ultimate picnic. I just think it's just a must. You just leave it in your trunk, and I use mine all the time. Along with that, a quilted blanket. Quilted blankets are really expensive, and they're also not like practical in the same way, but they're just like super cute. Like I would love to receive a quilted blanket. Mask, I have the type that's like not compression, but like it has the eye holes like kind of carved out so that it doesn't touch your eye. I don't know, I feel extra using an eye mask, but honestly it's like such a lifesaver. You could get them a nice silk one or like a matching set or something, but I feel like they come in handy so much. Oh my gosh, the curling rod hair set, that thing is also a lifesaver. It saves you so much time, and I swear the curls turn out so good. Makeup headband, like the Versed one, that's like super cute. I also said like a face wash hairband set. It has like a scrunchy headband, and then it has little towel wristbands, because you know when you like wash your face and then the water's like dripping and you're just like, these fingerless bow gloves, they're just cute. Earmuffs, even if they don't live somewhere cold, they're stylish. This bow scarf goes with the gloves. I don't know why I didn't put them together. Nice blanket scarf. I feel like they sell these everywhere now, but they're so cozy, very cute, so many different prints to choose from. PJ bow sets. I just, once again, with the matching cute sets, like can never get enough. Headphones. There's such a wide range in price and quality of headphones. This other cami bow PJ set is adorable. The Hatch alarm clock for your friends who can't seem to wake themselves up in the morning. Any kind of like dainty ring set I feel like is such a safe way to go. Flower subscription for the ladies. The hairbrush curler. I feel like this is awesome for volume, and it's so quick and practical. An ice roller or face massage tool. Travel accessory like organizer. I feel like I even just use like Ziploc bags, but I feel like this would just make so many people's lives easier. Fingerprint ring for a special someone. I think this is like a really cute intimate piece. Stuffed animals. I shouted out the Snoopy puffer if you're on Snoopy TikTok. Any like unique Taylor Swift merch. Dog socks. I got these for my parents. I think it's just like a fun little gag gift. Along with that, custom pet in a mug. This is not a gag gift because it's actually really expensive, but it's handmade and I just think it's really sweet and adorable. This bow puffer. Shop Yana's bralettes and tops is another like small handmade business, and I don't know, her stuff just looks gorgeous. I heard this espresso machine is really good for beginners, not to mention it's really adorable. Along with that, a cold brew maker. This is like an easier way to go, but a cold brew kit is an awesome way to encourage someone to make their own because it's actually really stinking easy. I keep saying stinking in this video. I need to chill. Bow ring. There's so many different bow rings. They're all really cute. There's a bunch linked on my Amazon storefront. Shadow work journal. I heard this is better than therapy. Hulu draws t-shirts. As I mentioned, the Taylor Swift merch. Hers are like hand doodled and they're just so cute. Lucky Loves bags has a very cool handmade bow bag. This leather tote bag from Anthropologie is also so stunning. I think it would be such a nice classy school bag or work bag. These dresses from Shop Shops are are so cute and they're very simple, so I feel like they would work for a lot of people. This stitchy is something I also heard about on TikTok, but basically it's like a staple gun. That's probably not the best way to describe it, but it keeps your clothing and garments in place if you want like the sleeves to pop out or like the collar to sit in a certain way. Seem kind of genius to me though. These bow slippers are also in my Amazon storefront. I think they're so adorable. Fun bed sheets. Honestly, I think sprucing up your bed sheets and switching them out seasonally is so fun, and there are a lot of different unique prints that can totally elevate your room. Lovely Disco has the coolest graphic tees. Another like hand doodled small business shop. A lot of Snoopy ones, which I love. Food magnets. You can like DIY these, but there's also like little sets on like Etsy and Amazon that you can buy. Along with that, if you want to decorate your house more or your cabinets, you can get them like replaceable doorknobs. I feel like this is a very unique gift, but there's a lot of different kinds. This bow tote bag, guys, I swear half of this video is about bows. They've genuinely taken over like my life. Any kind of fun boxer shorts. I just think these are so universal too. They're super comfy for loungewear or wearing them out. And if you don't want to get like handmade ones, there's this set from Target. I wear these. They're like just boys boxers, but I think they're cute. The Free People Lotus jeans, maybe I just put this here because I want these. I think they're really adorable. Along with that, the Free People Hot Shot onesie, it's so comfy and cozy, just as like loungewear, even if they don't wear it out, but I wear mine all the time. You could get them like a candle and like match little set. I know they have a lot of very cute match jars out there in the world. Specific, but these heart boxers from Gap, this bow mug from Amazon, these pearl earrings, or a pearl necklace. I just think pearls are a super safe way to go. This fruit PJ set or robe, these are dupes, but also like the original, super cute. This coffee break. Editing Melanie's gonna have a lot of work to do. I love the shape of this mason jar. Number 92, sock warmers. You can get huge sets of these on Amazon. Those like, I don't know what they're called, the teardrop earrings, they're like dupes. You could, I mean, you could get them the real ones too if you want. This teddy sock kit from Amazon. Initial earrings. I've been wanting an initial earring for like my cartilage recently. I've been like using fun earrings. You can never have too many. Nice headband set. Any kind of like dainty gold bracelet set. A life straw. I don't know. I'm just so intrigued by this, and I feel like it's a very practical tool to have around you. Any of these embroidered vests, they're so stunning. Honestly, a puffer vest too. Any of these jewelry organizers too. I just feel like they're super helpful. Imprint We Trust graphics are also so adorable. They have a huge variety, and I feel like you can find one for anybody. Any kind of like dainty or stone watch. I feel like these are a very unique gift for like a thrifter or an antiquer. The Glossier perfume is just like so good. Tree Hut body scrub. Honestly, throw a Jellycat in a nice little self-care box and they'll love it. They're so cute. Any kind of gold hoop set, there's a bunch on Amazon, at Target. I got my gold hoop set from TJ Maxx from House of Harlow, and they're just awesome quality. A silk pillowcase set. I feel like this is another thing you can refresh every once in a while if you can get your hands on it. The e.l.f. lip oil or the e.l.f. Halo Glow. An electric candle lighter. A book stamp with their name, like a personalized one if they're a reader. These Tupperwares are super cute. Any kind of like initial necklace, I just think they're so fun. Essential oil diffusers or new scents. Rare beauty blush. Honestly, I just will never get over how good this product is. Also, the Pixie blush is a great drugstore alternative that also blends so seamlessly. A thermos kit is so helpful. You don't understand like when you're gonna actually use it, but it's really handy to have. I added in there like a thrifted glassware set, like a teacup set, or like a nice wine glass set. These custom word punch pillows from Etsy, I think these are so fun. You could handpick them a print and then thrift them a frame and like frame it yourself and give it to them. Milk frothers, honestly life-changing. This like mini espresso stovetop thing if they don't have like an actual espresso machine. Bubble letter necklaces, it's like a statement initial necklace, but I just think these are so fun. A bougie charcuterie board set. This is super fun if they like picnics or hosting. Any of these fun clay mugs, there's so many of them on Etsy from like small businesses. Etsy also has these like pre-made self-care packages that I think are so fun if you don't have the time to like wrap it and handpick everything yourself. Cute aprons if they're into baking or cooking. I love this candle lamp from Anthropology. It's so adorable. This storybook, a DIY kit if they're into like little crafts and stuff. You could buy them and experience like a ceramics class. This could also be a really fun activity to do like with your friends, or a cake decorating class even. These coaster like carpet needle punch kits are so adorable. Quilted placemats, I need these for my next apartment. A car air freshener. Along with that, you could get them a car coaster set. Owalla sneakers are a great alternative. Just a fun pair of sneakers. The Free People quilted bag. Honestly, this brandy like tiered maxi skirt I feel like is very universal also. The mountain high zip fleece from Free People, but there's also such good like fleeces at Gap and Old Navy, so check those out. Hoka sneakers, if they're into working out or running or walking or anything, they're just so comfy. This Coach mini wallet, so adorable, and I feel like it could match so many people's style. A classy mirror compact. They can be engraved. I like this one from Etsy. Baggu also has a mini exclusive crescent I saw at Urban Outfitters, and I just had to put it in here. Urban Outfitters also has a lot of winter set bundles, which are really fun if like you're a parent and you don't know exactly what to get for daughter or whatever. You can just get like a nice pre-made bundle. Any kind of Brandy Melville like matching set, I feel like if you just pick out a couple pieces in the same print, it's just like so cute and uniform. Any kind of like hair scarf or like neck scarf. The North Face puffer, honestly, such a staple. I feel like I put it in my list every year. Reusable face makeup remover pad. The Barefoot Dreams blanket is a stunning gift, but also very expensive. I have a kind of like dupe similar material one from Target and I love it. This marshmallow comforter is just like nothing I've ever seen before. It looks so comfy. These little cake box cake cups are just really cute if you have a baker friend. A unique salt and pepper shaker kit. Any kind of like coffee table book. Any fun baking or cooking book. Nails Inc nail polishes are pricey, but they are like my favorite. I swear they last so long. These bow socks are just so adorable. If you have a reader friend, any kind of like book lamp or like night reading tool, this North Face tote bag looks so durable. This disco tissue box could be so fun to receive as a gift. Any kind of like sleep calming mist, I feel like this is another great self-care item that not a lot of people already own. These Polaroid magnet sleeves, they seem so helpful if you want to add Polaroids to like your fridge or something. Any kind of like Stanley straw topper, I guess you could use this on any straw water bottle. If you have a close friend or significant other, these heart like magnet friendship bracelets are a really like fun, classy kind of friendship bracelet. And the very last thing on my list is any like Gap sweater. I just feel like they're a little bit pricey, but they are such good quality and a beautiful fit. All right guys, so I kind of lost count, but that was my 150 plus Christmas gift slash wish list ideas for the year of 2023. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you, and I'm wishing you guys all the happiest holiday season from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy holidays, my friends.